Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you have subscribed to this channel, thank you. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so whenever I do any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Last week I did a juice, which is lemon juice, and I did the importance of it to our health and the good way to prepare your lemon juice to get the necessary nutrients and vitamins from the lemon. So last week I asked for people to join the train of us that will be taking the lemon juice. I'll be taking mine on empty stomach first thing in the morning, and it has been working for me. It cleans your body, it's good for rehydration, it's good for to balance your pH and to balance your electrolytes, especially if you are the one that always go for workouts and all that. So I've done my lemon juice. I've finished with it last week. So if you are still on that train of taking your lemon juice every morning, you can still continue. But this week I'm going to switch over to another juice, early morning juice for fasting and on empty stomach. So this week I'm going to be doing another juice that I'll be taking this week. It's really good for us to put all these things, add all these things to our daily activity, to our daily meal, to our daily routine. Taking all these natural herbs, natural fruits, taking them, and especially on empty stomach, first thing in the morning before you even think of brushing your teeth. So this week I'm going to be doing this important juice, and which is very good for our body. It's very good. It can help to boost your immune system. It can help to boost your metabolism. It's good to detoxify your body, even to detoxify your kidney, your liver. To detoxify your liver and to detoxify your body as a whole. It can cleanse your blood too. It's a very good juice. Research have said that it has good effect on your skin too. So this juice is very, very good. So if you have not joined the train, join us as we continue with this juice, this natural juice for your body, which I know is very good for your body. I'll be putting us through this train. This week we're doing this. I've done last week, 2 weeks ago I also did another juice. So this week we're doing this. This juice is called liver detox. I'll call it liver or body detox juice. You have your lemon, your parsley, your cucumber. They're just 3 ingredients, and they are cheap to get and they are always available in the market. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So stay tuned as I show you how to prepare it, and because I know it's very, very good for you and for your health. Thank you. So stay tuned and let's continue with the preparation. Hello, welcome back. So to prepare this juice, we're going to be needing our lemon. Yes, I've said before. Then our parsley. This is parsley. We're going to be needing a handful, maybe half of this, and 2 lemon. Then also, these are cucumber. So we're going to wash them now and prepare it. Then, of course, our train and a knife, of course. Then we're going to need a blender to blend what we're going to be doing. So that is it. To take a handful of this, of my parsley, add to it. Then my lemon, 2 lemon, and my cucumber. Yes, that's my cucumber. Maybe that's my cucumber, half of my cucumber. So I'm going to cut now and wash. Yeah. This is very, very good. I'm trying to peel that off as nylon and they used to wrap it. I'll just wash it. That's it. Wash my lemon. Make sure you wash it properly. Then the parsley, you soak it in the water. Yeah, they are always clean, but it's good to always wash with your soap. Yeah, that's my salt to wash my parsley. Always good to wash your vegetables with salt. Just soak it in. Although parsley, they are always clean, so they always come clean. Just soak them in the water. You see, even the water is clean. There's no sand, but they always come clean. If you buy from a good supermarket, they are always clean. So I just rinse them. Make sure you rinse them properly. Yes, that is it. So that's all we need. So we're going to be slicing them in the blender. Yeah, I'll just cut into two before I slice them. Look, that's my cucumber. I was going to blend them. Cucumber, we know, is very good for our body. It's very good for hydration. So I just cut off these parts. Then I chop them as much as I can. Just chop it. It's not a very difficult task. Remember, this thing you are doing, you are just taking care of yourself, taking care of your health. You shouldn't always run to the doctor. Always run to the doctor. So as a nurse, I will advise you, always look for ways to prevent things. Always look for ways to prevent things before you resort to the doctor. That is it. I think that would be too much. Then the lemon, just cut here. These things are, they don't have side effects because they are all natural. They are natural stuff. They are not chemical. They are not like other juice that you just take as chemical. Or you put a sweetener or acidifier, or citric acid. These are all natural. We know our lemon is good. It's rich in vitamin C. So it's always good to take them. So my blender now, that's it. I think that would be too much. Let's take from it. I'm going to be blending it twice. Yes, let's do that for now. Add some lemon to it. Then we're going to be adding water to it. Use water to blend it. That's what we've got, and I'm going to be blending them now. So that's what I've got. Blending. Yes, I'm just pouring them in the bottle. That's my bottle. And that's my juice. Blended. That is it. So the same thing I'll do with this, the remaining one. The remaining one, Just add it. And add your water. Close it. Then I go and blend. Here we are. So that is it. Remember, it's good to take care of yourself, take care of your family. See that? That's gonna last me a week. Yes, it's gonna last us a week. That is it. So that is it about the juice. You can see it's greenish. So it's beautiful. Yes, welcome back. That's all about my juice. That is it. So I'm going to be taking this week. I just put little in my cup of tea, and maybe a cup like this. I put half and add my warm water to it. So hot water, so it will become warm. And I'm going to preserve this in the fridge. I'm going to preserve it in the fridge, which is going to last me for the whole week. So I just make it warm and take it first thing in the morning for a week and on empty stomach. So it's very good. Always do these little natural things for your health. Imagine researchers saw that juice like this is good to detoxify our body, detoxify our liver. It's good for our skin. It's good to cleanse the blood. This can cleanse your blood from any diseases or what have you. So cleanse your body. It's good, improve your metabolism, and it's also good to take it first thing in the morning before you brush your teeth. It's good to hydrate your body. And instead of you waking up in the morning with your coffee, it's good to wake up with a greenish juice like this. So if you want your skin to look supple, if you want to glow, join me in this train. Let's take care of our health. Not just doctor, hospital. But let's do these little things. They are natural. They don't have side effects. So to improve our health. So thank you again for watching my video. Click down. If you go to the link below, you can click it to watch my other videos on other juice that I've taken. So if you have not taken those, you can join us with this. After this, you can go back to take those other videos I have done. So because we are all about our immune system, all about boosting our immune system this critical time. So make sure you join the train, and make sure above all you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I do the next juice. So you'll be the first to be notified, and so you will not be left behind in joining us in this train. And thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below. If you are joining the train, comment down below. Let's share ideas together. Or if you have any other info, any idea to make this channel better, to make our health improve, or to help us boost our immunity, if you know any other information, feel very free to comment down below. And make sure you share, especially to those you love. See you at the top. Bye.